Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
And another midweek instalment.
Midweek, I like the midweek ones.
The midweek ones, people are loving them, so we're going to keep doing them. And today's an extra special one.
Is it? What's going on?
It's Christmas giveaway time.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, more about that later. Stay tuned. It's going to be a good one.
I'm excited.
You should be.
I am, so that's good.
Now today...
When are we going to see the goods?
Show
us the goods.
You see the goods later on. We've got other things to talk about first.
Man.
Calm down. Calm down.
How's that then?
Stop looking at them. Right. First of all, Monica has been sat here for a while and we've been getting a bit worried about the battery on it because we've been doing the central lock-in and playing with the lights and everything.
It's also gotten ballistically cold.
It is minus... Baltically cold.
Baltically cold.
Yeah. We've been getting minus double figures. I
mean, it's been a difficult week for painting because I've come in trying to start the compressor and the compressor's going
no go.
-5.
Yeah.
No,
not happening. So difficult.
And batteries don't like minus figures.
Batteries do not like cold weather, full stop. You may notice when you're turning your key, it's taking a few more cranks to get going in the morning. There's a lot of drain.
Plus all your electrics are on. Heaters are on straight away. Heated screens if you've got heated screens.
Yeah. So
lights.
Brings me back to the Volvo. That's not even getting run.
No, it's not going anywhere.
It's not
exactly a daily commuter.
It's not commuting anywhere in the workshop. Okay, our friends at Top Don have sent us a rather nifty gifty.
In the form of a
smart battery charger.
Smart battery charger.
Let's go and have a look. That was a bit of a surprise.
I got nothing to say.
This is the setup we used to use.
Dinosaur charger.
Dinosaur battery charger. Basically, plug it in and hope for the best.
Yeah, it's just a bog standard basic 12-volt charger. Actually, it does 24 volts. But.
It does 24 volts too, but you don't know what condition the battery's in. You don't know what's going on. You basically plug it in and you hope that the battery charges. The other thing that we had is this ancient battery conditioner that I actually got free when I bought the MG.
That's pretty crusty. I mean, is it made of Bakelite?
It could be Bakelite. It's not that old. Look, it's got CE mark. That means it's good, right?
Yeah.
It's not that good.
Yeah.
It's finished. It's dead. It doesn't work properly anymore.
How old school that thing is.
It served its purpose.
Test good or weak. That's the
LED.
And it's got an LED.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
But
that's got no LEDs.
That's got no LEDs. This and this has now been replaced by, scoop them out of the way, this one unit. This is the Top Don TB6000 Pro smart battery charger and tester and conditioner all in one.
If Batman was a battery charger, he'd be the TB6000.
He would. And there are so many features on this, we might have to do an episode just on this.
We will.
It does lithium gel batteries, it does 12 volt, 6 volt, any volt.
It's going to be really interesting because the Mercedes that you didn't see here,
you didn't see a Mercedes in this workshop,
here, has 2 batteries. They're fairly expensive batteries and they're both dead. And I want to see if that can revive 200 quid's worth of batteries.
I feel quite confident because do you know what this has?
Go on.
It has a bloody repair mode on it.
A repair mode?
A repair mode.
Man.
So we shall see if it'll work on those batteries. But this thing, I'll show you quickly. We'll do a full episode, but look, it comes with its own app. Can you see that? Its own app. It does smart charging, quick charging. You can test the battery, get reports. I'm really looking forward to showing you this. So what we're going to do, we're going to plug this onto the Volvo and just keep the Volvo battery topped up, ready to go. But I have some other news.
You have there's a reason for this, isn't there? There's a reason for all this Top Don battery charger in this midweek episode when we're going to do a completely different episode on actually using it.
They not only sent us one, they sent one for the Christmas giveaway.
They sent one for the Christmas giveaway.
They sent one for the Christmas giveaway for one of our lucky subscribers.
So we're going to give away a smart charger.
A smart battery charger. Should we go and have a look at the other prizes?
Yeah.
Let's go and have a look at the
other
other
prizes.
Christmas. This is the Christmas giveaway bundle.
This stuff?
This stuff here.
But that's my stuff.
Not anymore. No.
Oh, man.
This is the prize for one lucky winner.
Yeah.
It is a good bundle.
I'm going to save that cup before it rolls off the bonnet and becomes many little parts of a
pieces.
cup.
Jigsaw almost.
So yeah, we're giving away a bunch of stuff to one person. How many bits is there? 5 bits?
We have a very limited edition Volvo 240 Monica t-shirt.
Yeah, that's really cool.
It's so cool.
I really like that design.
Yeah.
It's come out really nice.
It's so limited. There's only like 4 or 5 in existence.
Yeah.
That limited. Ooh, it hurts to give it away.
What's even more limited are these keyrings.
Handmade by ourselves here in the workshop. Don't know if you get a little closer look at that. It is one of our Whiteland restorations, solid wood and leather keyring. They are awesome.
And they smell great because they've been...
Oh, cherry scented.
Yeah, they've been in with some cherry scent, so they're not only cool, but they smell great too.
They're delicious.
A lovely sticker.
Lovely sticker, fantastic mug.
That's the classy mug.
The classy mug. And of course, one TB6000 Pro smart battery charger from our friends at Top Don.
Yes, that is the
star prize.
The star of the prize. But the rest of the stuff is cool, man.
It's so cool. And to be in a chance to win this bundle, all you have to do is be a subscriber and...
Oh, is this me?
Yeah.
And tell us the name of your favourite reindeer.
In the comments in this video, tell us the name of your favourite reindeer.
I mean, you know the reindeers I'm talking about, obviously. It can't just be some random reindeer in a field called Jeff.
Jeff. No, favourite reindeer in the comments. Make sure you are a subscriber. We will be checking, and we will do the draw.
Christmas Day.
Christmas Day? You do Christmas Day draw?
Or Boxing Day.
Right, we're going to do the draw on Boxing Day.
Yeah, because everyone's going to be busy Christmas Day.
Yeah.
Having fun, opening
we
presents.
will be eating turkey sandwiches and doing a draw Boxing Day.
So, to recap, win all this cool stuff, be a subscriber, tell us your favourite reindeer.
And we will see you on Boxing Day for the draw.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me. What else are we doing this week?
We're doing a bit more work on the Focus.
Should we have a look at that?
Should we have a look at that? Let's go and have a look at that.
I've been mainly focused on this week.
Lewis has been doing a bit of bodywork repairs.
Yeah, so it was a little ripply down the side, so basically it's been painted a number of times. And I've just I blocked it smooth and I blocked it all flat. All the wobbles came out with the blocking. And I've chucked a coat of epoxy over it to seal it all up. That's what's done there. And on the front, to get the bumper and wing started to alignment sorted out, this bit down here was off a little bit. So I had to do a little bit of panel beating work there. The front here, I think what had happened is I've done a really ugly repair. I'm not quite finished here yet. I think the bottom of this wing had been repaired without the bumper, and I had repaired the bumper without the wing. So 2 repairs without checking each other. It was miles off. So you can see I've had to grind a bit out of there, and I've had to cut all of that back and open and push it and reshape it.
Other bits?
Other bits involve this here. This is the rear handle.
Grab handle, badge light cover.
Number plate light cover thingy majiggy. It's possibly the most fragile piece of car I've ever taken off. Not because it's old and is brittle, but because it's been made so badly. This was a look at how thin. See, can you see how thin that is? So that bit there and that bit there was all that was holding that on in here.
From factory? From factory.
So the moment these
you can
nylocks
as well,
nylocks. The moment you put a bit of tension on them, it just snapped every single one of them off.
If you can see, it's only actually attached here, let me focus here, and there, so that they don't have any shadowing on the plastics.
That's it. So instead of, good old Ford, instead of building it stronger, They just made it weaker.
The least amount of contact patch possible.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is Focus update.
That's Ford Focus update. Monkey Bike's gone.
Monkey Bike has gone.
Monkey Bike's gone. We'll get some footage from a customer for that. We're going to go and see his stash of monkey bikes
when
in
the
zoo.
weather's nicer.
I've got some exciting news.
Oh, have you?
Yeah. Do you want to pop down the other side of the workshop?
Let's go to the exciting news area.
Let's go. Right, before I show you the super exciting stuff, I'm waiting on wheel bearings still.
Oh, yeah. Bloody ice and post.
Post strikes, weather's been horrendous. It's been snowy and cold.
Yeah. We've had no deliveries.
Yeah, no deliveries. So axle build is on hold until I get wheel bearings. There's nothing much more I can do. So that's a good start for this. This weekend's episode is going to be inside the car. We're going to fit this, which is an ISOFIX point bracket in the back of a car. So this is going to be how to fix an ISOFIX in your classic car.
Brilliant.
That's going to be the weekend's video.
Good.
And here's the reason we've got to put some ISOFIX in the back of the car.
I mean,
this little sweetie.
The Volvo, look, she's looking at the axle going, ooh.
You like the axle?
Look at that.
Yeah.
I think she spotted something that we haven't told the viewers.
What?
Locker diff inside.
They'll know that.
Will they?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
That wasn't that exciting.
No.
So, furthermore...
Yeah. Sorry, carry on. Yeah, locker diff and ISOFIX. What a combination.
Yeah, furthermore, for my birthday present, by the way, guys, my birthday is January the 2nd. It's coming very shortly. You can send cards to hashtag I don't have a PO box. I've got 2 weeks off, or 2 or 3 weeks off.
2 to 3 weeks off.
To tinker with my BMW.
Yeah.
So there's going to be a few E30 videos coming. The first one is going to be can I get it started, because it hasn't started since it's sat in here. I mean, it sounds, yeah, of course, drove it in, drove it out. But I've had the whole engine apart. It's had loads of mods and stuff done to it. You know what happens when you modify cars? You don't want to start afterwards.
Well, it's had a lot of tweaks and you haven't turned the key. So you're going to be getting it running and trying to get as much done as you can.
Do you know what the weird thing
holiday
is? Go on.
Birthday treat. Go on.
The weirdest thing about all of this, getting it running, is I got to start by fitting the dash. That's stupid.
Priorities, hey?
Priorities.
Is the dash installed?
No, it's not. It's just it looks installed, but it needs painting and decracking and fitting in, because I don't want to turn the key without having an oil pressure light.
No, exactly.
I've got some other gauges and stuff that need fitting.
True.
Generally, I'm excited to work on my Christina.
So excited. So Lewis will be having a couple of weeks in the shed, probably Meals on Wheels, playing with the BMW to try and get as much done as he possibly can. Hey, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? Is that the heater?
She likes South Wales news.
Do you like South Wales news? She's just woken up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's another update.
That is the update. Yeah.
Right. So that's our midweek update. Everything that's going on. Competition. Don't forget. Subscribe. Name your favourite reindeer.
Jeff.
It's up to them. They pick their favourite. We'll be doing the
draw
draw on Boxing Day. Don't know if we'll be doing it live. We might do it live.
It's a great prize.
It is a great prize.
It's a great prize.
If you want to find out more about the battery charger or just go and buy one for yourself, link is in the description. Go and check it out.
Yeah.
Great products.
Terms and conditions, stuff like that in the description.
Yeah, in the description. Lewis will be having 2 weeks off, but there will be some video updates. I'll be coming down to film. That's about it, really. We're going to crack on and film this ISOFIX video for you all.
Great.
Yeah. Make it nice and safe for the little baby.
Yeah.
Hey, Louisa? Louisa?
Right, I think the dog needs a wee, so
Right,
we've got to go.
we're going to go. See
Ciao.
you. Bye, guys.